having a parrot is not enough for her. She wants to be a parrot.
I gotta say something.
So now she's going to be the mommy parrot, and that's her baby parrot. I'm going to make a body, and I'm not really... Get back here. Not really going to make it a tutorial. You're just going to see what I do.
Okay,
Clear balloon, big loop like this. Hold it through.
Yeah.
Here, child, arm through this loop. No, other arm. There we go. And this arm around the back. That's going to be the anchor point for the wings and the tail. See, she wants this tail. I'm using a 350 for the tail.
We do not know how to make a beak.
Turn around. Let me see. Well, we're going to improvise. Okay, so we don't want the tail. I know. We're going to want the tail. We don't want it all the way to the ground, so like here. So twist it like this. Break off the excess. Tie it off. Get your child to hold that. These two here, tie them together. Make sure this is attached to the wings very, very well. And now you'll need a bubble to serve as an anchor point. It can come from any of these balloons, but my softest is this 350. So I'm going to make my bubble from this one. I'm going to pinch twist it. And I'm going to wrap it around these others for a few times to make a solid anchor. Up, up, up. Back here, back here. Now, let's take this one off. I'll take this one off.
Ow, ow, my hair, my hair.
Okay. So this one here is a 260, fully inflated. Most kids, this is the perfect size. Sometimes you'll get a bigger kid, you know, someone who's like 11, 12 years old, and you're going to want to use a second one, or you're going to use a 160 and really stretch it. Because if you stretch it, if you inflate it all the way and stretch it, you can get a few more inches out of it. So this is going to come in here. So that's just going to go around her arms, and her parrot wings are going to be back here. Now we got to make them look like parrots. I don't know how to do that, so I'm just going to give it a twist that's not in the center but slightly off. And something like that. Kind of looks like fairy wings, and she was my model for a fairy wing balloon that I made a little while ago. She's just going to wear her parrot wings like this. If you really felt like breaking them up in little pieces, you go right ahead. Or filling them in like this. Maybe one day I should make a full wing like that. Okay, young lady, let's put on your wings.
I'm springy.
Okay, wings.
Oh, great! I can fly! No more springy.
No, you can't fly.
I can fly!
Wait, back here, back here.
I'm an angel.
You are my little angel. Okay, turn around. Let's see. No, turn. Stop. Okay, so her tail comes down like this. Her wings. It might have been better with a second bubble there. This totally works. Now she wants a face.
Please don't give me a wedgie.
I'm going to give you a wedgie. Now, so for the beak, I'm going to use a regular hat that's going to be pulled down a little bit, and we're going to put the beak in the middle there. So we're going to wrap it all the way around her head, make it like a loose fitting hat.
It might look weird.
Let me see your head. Instead of sitting on her head like this, we want it sitting on her, down like this on her forehead, so she looks like that. Okay, so that's pretty much going to use up the whole balloon. I'm going to pinch twist it like that. Okay, so she's going to wear it like that. Let me see. Let's see if it fits. Okay, now we're going to put a beak on that. Take this yellow one. I'm going to tie it in here to make sure it's on really good.
Why don't I just pull my nose off and put it on my mouth?
I've never made one of these. I'm just experimenting as I go. Parrots have a really small beak, kind of like that. So I'm thinking I'm just going to make a small little beak. One long bubble, one short bubble. Anchor it back in there. Break off the excess. Tie it off. This is my assistant, and this is what happens when we make videos.
Huh?
Keep going. Show them what you can do. And then let's get back to our video. It's almost done. Very cool. Hat, beak, so that's her parrot beak. These are her not so parrot-like wings, but most kids don't care. There's her tail, which would look like a dragonfly. Are you sure you don't want to be a dragonfly? You look a bit like a dragonfly, except for your face. Come back here. So she wanted to be a parrot. This is her parrot outfit and her baby parrot. Now, Leilani, are you happy with this setup?
I mean, yes.
And how old are you?
6.
And you like this? You like the outfit? You like the parrot? See? Doesn't have to be perfect. Kids love balloons. You just tell them they're a parrot and they are a parrot. Mwah. Say bye.
Bye bye.
See you later.
Bye bye. Bye bye. I can fly!